Hey everyone, JT here. In this lesson, we are going to talk about a concept that is crucial for any entrepreneur who wants to build a sustainable and scalable business. Work on your business versus working in your business. Now, you might be thinking, what's the difference? Isn't it all just work? That's a common misconception. Many entrepreneurs get so caught up in the day-to-day operations of their business that they forget to step back and work on the bigger picture. Okay, let's think of it like this. Imagine you're a chef in a business restaurant. You're chopping the vegetables, you're grilling the steaks, you're plating all the dishes. You're working hard, but you're working in your business. Now, imagine you are the owner of that restaurant. You are creating the menu, you're hiring the staff, you're managing finances and developing marketing strategy. You are still working hard, but now you're working on the business. See the difference? So, working in your business is about the day-to-day tasks, okay? The execution, the doing, the answering the emails, the making the sales calls, fulfilling the orders, and all those other essential tasks that keep your business running. Now, working on your business, on the other hand, it's about strategy, it's about vision, it's about growth. It's about setting goals, creating systems, and planning for the future. Both are important, okay? You cannot have one without having the other. But as your business grows, it is crucial to shift your focus from working in your business to working now on your business. And here's why. First one is scalability. Working on your business allows you to create a systems and process that can be replicated and scaled as your business grows. Second, sustainability. By focus on strategies and visions, you can create a more sustainable business that can thrive in the long term. You're gonna like this one, freedom. Working on your business allows you to delegate tasks and free up your time to focus on what you do best. So, how can you make this shift? Identify your priorities. What are the most important tasks that only you can do it? Then, delegate and automate. What tasks can you delegate to others or automate to technology? Schedule time for strategic thinking. Block out a time in your calendar to focus on high-level planning and vision. Remember, working on your business is an investment in your future success. It's about creating a business that works for you and not the way around. So start making that shift today and watch your business soar.